Number 9 asks us to simplify. Here it looks like we have to distribute a lot of things for a. So we do the 7 times 5n. Then we have the 7 times -8. Then we're not done because we have the other set of parentheses. So that is your 6 times 4. And then you have your purple, which is just 6 times 6n. Okay, so the first part, 7 times 5n, that is 35n. Then you have your 7 times -8, which is a -56. Then you have your 6 times 4, which is your +24. Then you have your 6 times 6n, which is 36n. Okay, here these are like terms, the 35n and the 36n. 35 plus 36, that makes 71n. Then you have this, the -56 or the -56 and the +24. -56 and +24, that gets you -32. Next, we have to distribute. It is a -1 that is really out in front. So that is -1 times 3a. And then you have -1 times 2. Then let's do the next set of parentheses. -3 times 6a. And then you have -3 times 7. The -1 times 3a is -3a. -1 times 2, it is a -2. -3 times 6a is a -18a. -3 times 7 is a -21. Okay, let's combine some like terms here. You have -3a and -18a. -3a and -18. That gets you -8 and -18. That gets you -26a. You have -2 and -21. That gets you -23. Okay, negative with another negative gets you a larger negative. Okay, there you go. Next, this is the interesting part because there's fractions. Okay. I think there's some like terms here. Look, this can be simplified. Look, 1/5 plus 2/5. This does combine. Okay, 1 plus 2, it is 3, and the bottom is just 5. So that means I can just already write this as 3/5k is inside this parentheses. And there's a -5 out in front. Then everything else I'm going to bring down. Okay, notice I made my life easier because these two were like terms. Now I can just distribute. -5 times 3/5k. Okay, then I can do this part here, which is -8 times -4 and -8 times 5k. So please understand this is really over 1. You can multiply this. -5 times 3 is -15 over 5. -5 over -15 divided by 5 does simplify. This makes 3. So this becomes 3k. Okay? Then you have the -8 times -4. That gets you -32. Your -8 times 5 becomes a -40k. There are some like terms here. Notice the k's and k's are like terms. -3k and -40k becomes -43k. Bring down that minus or that -32. There you go. That would be your answer. -43k minus 32. There you go. That is how you simplify these expressions. You distribute and then combine like terms.